Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Magda and I'm a product expert in Foyr. In today's video, we will be creating a backyard deck with a sitting area. Let's start. To create a deck sitting area, I've added an extra room to work as my garden space, and then I've added another one and I put some trees just for a more realistic result on the renders. Now we will switch to 3D. I recommend using Crete New Product Tool to create your deck instead of using geometric shapes, because on the product that you will create with Crete New Product Tool, you can work different with texture and you can put texture on the side and it will just look more realistic. So I click on Crete New Product Tool, Create Yourself and Rectangle Tool. Now we will outline the area for our decking and we'll give it some depth. Mine is a bit higher because I will be doing a step. I will create an angled side for my decking, and for that I will use the ruler tool to measure everything out. I will measure out the position of my step, and now I'm adding a ruler line to make sure that both my angled sides are equal. Now I will use a pen tool and I will connect these parts. And from the other side. Now we will trim these lines and all our ruler lines, and with a push and pull we will create a step down. Now just click on Done and we can start applying texture. For the texture, I've chosen wooden planks. Now I will use the texture material copy tool and I will copy it to the other parts of my deck. Now I will add wooden railings to elevate this decking a bit more. For the railings, I've chosen these ones. It's a single railing that we can join and we can place it anywhere we want. Now I will clone it and paste it next to the first one. I will add another one. And with this one I will detach clone because I will use the invisible material to cover this part here, and I will just leave the column. And now we will also add another one here at the front. Now we will group these together and we will clone them and put them on the other side. Now I will change the texture of the railing. So we've created a deck and now we can put some furniture in. I will create a dining area and a lounge area. Now we will add some lights and the decking will be ready for render. The deck area is finished, so now it's time for render. And this is how the deck looks after the render. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing!